Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at OPPO Find X3 Pro Photographer Edition. In this video, we include unboxing, ColorOS 12, and the photo comparison between the iPhone 13 Pro and the Mi 11T Pro, or the Redmi K40s, as the rumors said. Special thanks to my friend Sammy for providing huge help to this video. She just started an English channel recently. Please follow her, link is in the description. First things first, the unboxing. For those who are curious to know if the Find X3 Pro Photographer Edition will have the global version, it won't, as it just confirmed with the official OPPO. But of course, you can always import one from China and then flash international ROM, but that would be a bit risky at your own cost. Right now, Sammy is opening the package and she broke a strap on one end, and she's digging that end. When I just start from the right end, yes, she finally figured it out. When you open the box, you will find heavy foams attached to the inner side of the paper box to protect another box. Just check out this foam box. Holy cow! The leather and metallic glass finish looks so premium and elegant. Normally, we throw away the packaging box after the unboxing, but this one, I'll just keep it. Even if we don't use it, we can just put it somewhere as a piece of decor. It's spectacular. Seems like OPPO has spent a lot of money on boxes. Open the top cover, we can see the flocking design inside. It touches really comfortable. Under that, we get an insert made of surprisingly nice material, inside of which there are some paperwork, including a warranty card and a quick guide. There's also a VIP card. I guess it gives you some discount when you are buying OPPO stuff. Then we see the phone. Let's just put it aside and see what else we got. We see the phone case. That's not a normal case. It has the same design and the comfort at the back of the X3 Pro Photographer Edition. And then a pin. That's also the tool to unlock the buckle and the phone case to hang your strap. Everything is just so well considered and luxurious. Moving on, we see the earphones, a Type-C cable, and a 65-watt fast charging adapter. That's the unboxing. I guess no one would complain any of that. Every detail is refined. It's definitely one of the most high-end packages I've ever had. Now, moving to the phone. First thing we got to talk about, of course, is the design. It's said that the design is a collaborative effort between OPPO and Kodak. As you can see, the combination of the metallic glass and black lychee green leather presents a unique aesthetic. It does remind you of those classic old Kodak cameras. The rough grain leather on the lower part gives you a firm grip as well when you are taking photos. As for the upper camera module part, it looks like metal, but it's still glass. In order to make the glass material appear metallic, OPPO adopts the silver paste spraying process for the first time and uses the fork edge process, which gives it a metal texture. And if you look closer at the splice of the glass and leather, there's a refined pyramid bone to make a close fit and smooth transition between the two materials. Not only cheaply comfortable hand feel, but also has IP68 waterproof capability. Like I said, it's all in the details, my friend. I bet the first time you see it, you will definitely be amazed by that. At least I have that feeling. Now I'm really looking like a professional photographer with this phone. As for the operating system, it comes pre-installed ColorOS 12, which I've already done a really detailed hands-on video a few days ago. You can check it out from the link on the screen. Here I'm not going into too much detail about it. What really impressed me is the new icon design, emoji, PC Connect, and especially the smooth, lifelike animation. It's the most fluent OS I've ever had for Android so far. Regarding the specs, it's exactly the same as the Find X3 Pro. We have Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with a whopping 16 gigs RAM. If you're curious to know the Antutu benchmark, here's it. Super impressive 6.7-inch LTPO AMOLED display with 1440p resolution and 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. 4500 mAh battery with 65-watt fast wire charging and 30-watt fast wireless. We have two 50-megapixel cameras, a 30-megapixel periscope camera, and a 3-megapixel macro lens on the rear. We also have a 30-megapixel selfie shooter on the front. The camera also comes with 14 different safety features, which change as the result of the geographic location. It supports long exposure shooting, and the camera provides a super raw format shooting. If you want to know the overall performance, Same I have camera with iPhone 13 Pro and Mi 11T Pro. We compare the main camera, the macro, daylight, night photos and videos. As I checked out all those photos back and forth, basically I didn't see a huge difference. You got to know that nowadays the camera technology has sort of reached its pinnacle. What I love about X3 Pro photography probably is its accurate color delivery and awesome filters. The new added long exposure is fantastic. You can even handhold it to make a good night photo. And that's maybe the overdone part. Nevertheless, as for the rest of the video, I just put all the original footage of the three so you can check them out. Let me know which one has the best result. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one.
Seeing monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat. Turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines. We will face it, standing side by side. You know I'll come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you.
Nossa, ele é muito bonito, né? Deixa eu tentar subir aqui. Opa! Vocês verem aqui um pouquinho? Sammy, say hello! Hello! E aqui, gente, quando a gente termina essa escada rolante gigantesca, a gente dá de cara para uma outra surpresa que eu vou mostrar pra vocês. Mas demora, né? Tá louco? Calma aí,
Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing